Alright, so now we're gonna go to come on. Ryken 5. So this one's like really easy. Okay. So this one you just I like killing those guys, I don't know why. Call me mean. They don't really do anything anyway, they just walk around pretty much. But yeah. Okay. This one can oops. You can like go like this. Over here. Technically I guess you can high jump over there, but sometimes I fall and die. And then I'm sad. Okay. Oh my god. Wait a minute. Oh. Wait a minute. I can save myself maybe. Wait. Oh. Can't. Oh man. Yes. Why did I do that? Just shimmy across it. Okay. And then see that green shield over there? You just get in it, your little helipod buddies, and yeah, you get over here. And it'd be right here. There'd be like a lot of boxes right here. And that's where it is. Pretty easy to get to, really. So, death abuse again. Alright, next one. Sargasso. Okay. This one, you need your robo wings over here. Okay. Basically, over here. You fly right for that tunnel. Okay, you stop right here. And then this dinosaur right here has that pad underneath his feet. Go over here. Yeah, get on its tail. You see on his tail looks like there's stairs, which is really what they are. I mean, for you anyway. Climb up his back. Just get up high enough to get on this building right here, and probably see where I'm going with this. This stack of boxes right here. That's where the whole that's where the whole piece would be. So yeah. Alright. Death abuse again. Alright. So now go to Creeley Comet. Iris Supercomputer. Alright. It's almost guaranteed I'm gonna have to make 3 videos out of this, but you know, there is 13 Holo-Plan pieces, and you gotta have this, you know, call it fly time when you're flying back and forth to the planets, so you can see why it would take 3 videos. Okay, so Minovsky did this glitch where he just air clawed over there. Well, you can see my razor claws are only like the version 5. So the only thing I ever used them for as soon as I got them was razor clawing, like up buildings and doing glitches and crap. So when I try to do it, the glitch he did, it doesn't, for some stupid reason, no matter what I do, it will not work for me. The same way on when you get to the Zordoom prison, it does the same thing when he air claws. So I did this little stupid thing on my tool destruction glitches where I showed you could just do this. I thought it out. I'm like, well, basically the point is you gotta get up higher because you go down like really fast. So get up on this little thing, turn your little self around really carefully. And yeah, there you go. And then just high jump and glide over there. I would air claw, but then I usually end up falling down. As soon as it gets to a certain level, you just start falling. They don't even give you a chance to bring out your razor claws or anything to try to get back up. So yep, I know you're under there. Okay. Oh, crap, I did not mean to do that. I really don't want to do that. Yeah, I know I'm doing things the same way that Minovsky did pretty much, but that's how I found all the Holo-Plan pieces, so it's kind of, I don't know, doing it the same way that I found it, which was the way that Minovsky did it. Why did I do that? Okay, and then right in here is boxes. I think it's in this one, but it might have been the ones over there, but anyway, right there, around this area is where the Holo-Plan piece is, so, alright. Next one's pretty easy too. Dang it! I don't mean to keep pausing it like that. Okay, so this one, man, almost the end of the video already. But basically, you just over here. This is where I had a problem with the air clawing again, where he just goes over here and air claws from here. Not for the life of me can I get it to do that. I'm just, I don't know. Something's probably wrong with me. I don't know. But so. I just wanted to show you guys that, so I did that. So what I did was spent like forever trying to figure out a way that I could get over there without having to go through certain parts of the level. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next part, and I'll continue.